Ask you one or two small questions. Okay. What is the taste of guava?
What is the
Taste of Goa.
Sweet and sour. Sweet and sour. Sour also.
Depends sometimes.
I'm asking about the guava taste.
Leaf.
జాంకాయ చెట్టేగా
Yeah.
కాదన్నా
Just anyone can take this.
జాగ్రత్త రాజేష్ రేపు చాలా వర్క్ ఉంది
No problem. Just to smell it. Once you can get one smell. Do one more time. You can get one more smell.
అందుకే చెప్పట్లేదు మా 3 సార్లు అయిపోయింది
If you smell, yes, if you can smell once, you can able to get the guava smell. If you smell once more, if you can able to get the lemon or pineapple or something. If you see one more time jamun, you can able to get from this plant. This is actually in Telugu jamun neredu. Jamun neredu.
Is this the plant is grafted one?
No. This is wild one.
Wild one.
Just
Generally
smell
you
it.
do the grafting, then you will get
that type of
Okay. Before going to do plantation, today we are going to do very special plantation. This is one of the variety of food plant, that is jamun neredu. Guava jamun we call it as. If you can eat the fruit, you can able to get sour taste, sweet taste, and also guava taste. Three tastes it will come from this tree. And also we are going to plant wild mango. It can able to grow up to 200 feet.
200 feet.
భయ అన్నీ అయ్యేద్దాం నెక్స్ట్ టైం వచ్చినప్పుడు కోసుకొచ్చి
special plant.
Aponomics is polystatia. Fruit will be in the red color. Hornbills will attract to this plant. This one. And also back side one more plant is there. That is soap nut.
సోప్ కుంకుడుకాయ
Kukurkai. And also we have one more plant we are going to do. This is Sindhu. Back side we have just a minute.
కాయ
This Sindhu.
నాట్ ఫర్ ఈటింగ్ ఈటింగ్
We can eat, but we cannot able to digest.
Hanumanji.
సింధూరం
Just one drop of water, we can able to see what it is.
సింధూరు
Sindir also we can able to use as a lipstick.
నేచురల్ లిప్స్టిక్
Natural lipstick. We call it as lipstick tree.
ఓకే
you have to mix it with oil.